Dear children, welcome to Learn and Shine. Today we are going to learn modal auxiliary verbs and semi-modal auxiliary verbs. Let's see the definition first. What are modal verbs? They are auxiliary verbs that provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. They are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. What are modal verbs? They are auxiliary verbs that provide additional and specific meaning to the main verb of the sentence. They are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Children, let's see the rules for modal auxiliary verbs. Rule number 1. They are followed by a verb in the base form. For example, I can run very fast. They are the same for all the pronouns. She could make it better. They could make it better. I could make it better. You could make it better. They do not need auxiliaries. They take direct negative and question forms. You can't smoke here. Can you repeat that? They never combine with another modal verbs. For example, you can't must read. So they never combine with another modal verbs. It's a wrong structure. Students, let's see some examples for modal auxiliary verbs. Can is used to express ability. I can speak Spanish. Permission. Can I go to the bathroom? Probability. It can't be Mark. He is in London. Could is used to express past ability. He could swim when he was 6 years old. Past permission. He could go to the theatre. Probability. It could get much hotter in July. Request. I could lend you my notebook. May is used to express probability. It may snow tomorrow. Permission. May I come in? Might is used to express probability. It might rain today. Must is used to express prohibition. You mustn't speak loudly here. Probability. It's quite dark. It must be after 8 o'clock. Should is used to express advised. You shouldn't smoke. It is unhealthy. Will is used to express prediction. I think he will study harder this time. Will is used to express spontaneous decision. It's very hard today. I'll open the window. Uses of shall. Shall is used to express suggestions. Shall I get a pizza for dinner tonight? Offers and volunteering. That bag looks heavy. Shall I carry it for you? Instructions. Asking for or giving. What shall I do with your mail when it arrives? Promises. You shall be the first person to know. Confirmation. Statement or fact. I shall meet you there at 7. Children, the modal verb shall is not used much nowadays. It may be found in formal speech and some legal documents. Next, we shall see the usage of would. Would is used as the past tense of will. She said she would buy dinner on her way home. I believed it would rain, so I brought my raincoat. Would is used to express polite request. Would you please take off your coat? Would you mind turning the radio off? Children, now let's see what is a semi-modal auxiliary verb and also their examples. Semi-modal auxiliary verbs are dare, need, used to, ought to. What are the 4 semi-modal auxiliary? They are dare, need, used to, ought to. Let's see the definitions and example. Semi-modal auxiliary verbs or semi-modals, also known as marginal modal verbs, are the verbs that behave partly like the main verb and partly like a modal auxiliary verb. Examples: I dare not driving this car. I dare him to go there in the dark night. You need not enquire about this. Sharath needs a laptop and a mobile. I used to get up when I was a student. I used to get up early when I was a student. He didn't use to drink coffee daily. As citizens, we ought to love our country. They have to look after their old aged parents. Children, hope you understood what is a modal auxiliary and what is a semi-modal auxiliary. Thanks for watching.